It's a beautiful day for an RV inspection, and today we are in Jacksonville about to inspect this Grand Design Imagine 23 LDE. Now we're still waiting for that perfect unit, and today we are going to keep our fingers crossed. This is the one. This will be the one. Let's hope. We'll let you know at noon and the end of the day what we find.
So here we are. First things first, this has been PDI'd, so it's ready. So, all right, so let's pretend that this is gonna be your unit. You're picking it up, that's what it is. You're here today and yep, it's your day, you're picking it up. You're just going around it and you'll leave by noontime because they told you to be here at 9. So right off the bat, something I know they never verify is the tires. So tire pressure on this one, your guess is as good as mine, but do you think it's slow? Yeah, probably. I already see this unit's been winterized. So if the sticker's been winterized, that means it hasn't been de-winterized. So bypass valve and all of that is not installed, but that's on you, it's fine. You'll be leaving by noon. So we'll see a little bit later. I know Laurel and I talked about this. She already went inside, and I'm just thinking if this has been PDI'd, I mean, you think they'd at least anchor it, or they pick up the foam, the styrofoam that's coming from I don't know where. So, hey, listen, we'll see. We will be doing this inspection, and we'll see if you were leaving at noon. Maybe you were right.
So in our walkthroughs, we like to tell you about the stow and go capacity. To Pierre and I, that means, can I stow it, hook up, go, and then if I need to go to the bathroom or go to bed, can I access my bathroom? So come on in. In this particular unit, the slides are in right now. You can actually come right in here, sit on the couch, watch TV. You can come in here, go to the bathroom, and you also can access the bedroom. And you have 2 doors. So from either end, you have great stow and go capacity. So this is a thumbs up for stow and go. Now in my quick walkthrough, I have found a couple of things so far. One thing, this is incredibly loose. So anything that's in this cupboard is going to fall out. No big deal, they're just gonna tighten it up. Also, we've got some stains already here on their couch. I don't know, but it's brand spanking new. I'd want it cleaned. So just a couple of little things. I haven't even started the inspection. We haven't even opened up the unit. So like I said before, we will see you at lunchtime. So it's lunchtime and we've been working, and I'll tell you, I'm in here going, this is going really well. Everything's looking really good. I did all of my walls and my ceilings and my lights, and things were looking great. And then I said, Pierre, is the water on? He said, yep, we've got city water. Great, went right to my kitchen sink. So I started the sink, I let it run like 5 minutes, do some other pictures of stuff, and I come into the bathroom, and I said, well, let's get this going. At the same time, the other one's going too. I start this sink. Everything's looking good. And then, as I'm gonna show you in this video, if you enjoy our videos, please hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, like and comment. If you don't know what to comment, just put C4BO, comment for Blue Ox. All of a sudden, I've got a leak. It's about 5 minutes in. It's leaking, it's dripping. I'm like, okay, this isn't good. So whatever, cleaned that mess up, stopped that, decide to come over to the shower. Now, I've been told you can make anything leak if you try hard enough. I didn't have to try hard at all, and the leak just came right here, all over the floor. So again, we've got a leaky shower, we've got a leaky bathroom, and then the other thing that I found was the headboard. Now, it's not really heavy, but I don't think they want it falling on their head. So this is incredibly loose. I don't know if I can, yeah, you can see that. I mean, that is really loose. Nothing major, nothing they can't fix. The other thing, the bracket for the fire extinguisher, which is right behind Pierre's leg. The fire extinguisher isn't even hooked in there. Life safety right there. But I'm gonna see you at the end of the day. We'll see what Pierre has found so far.
So, lunchtime. So far, this is close to perfection. There's nothing on my roof, absolutely nothing, which I was kicked out of the roof. But I typically sneak in before they catch me. Now this new redhead manager is all over me anyway the minute I walk in here, so he'll do anything to stop me from something. But luckily this is just a travel trailer, so we can actually reach there from the side, so I can actually overlook everything, so which was fine. And I was already up there, so I already have a flat tire in the back end of this unit. So you were picking it up and it was all ready, just saying. In here it's going to be hard to see with the camera, but on the overlap here, come on this side and come over here. So from here, see on this, there's a lot of sealant missing there, and another nubby over there that we can see right above the eye. Little detail, nothing for them to be hard to fix. What did I have also? I did my propane leak test. That was perfect. At one point when she was doing the shower, I had an issue with, you can see there's water here. So it was actually dripping from here. So I'm trying to figure if it's coming from the floor, if it's coming from the valve over there that is leaking and going underneath the belly or following the frame. I don't know, but there's definitely a leak coming in this front corner, which this is a bedroom. So there's no sink there unless I know we're tilting forward. So it could be a shower plumbing. So there's definitely something. This is nothing, but it's just a screw that's, you know, need to be popped up. But overall, we actually thought at one point, Laurel and I, that this was the perfect unit. It's been really nice. So let's see what the end of the day is going to reserve to us. Well, end of the day. Sorry to disappoint you. No drama. Actually, it's totally the opposite. I feel like I'll give heads up to Grand Design. That Imagine unit is pretty phenomenal. At one point, we even wondered if it wasn't going to be the perfect one until Laurel found a couple of things. For me outside, I had a doubt on something, but it didn't pan out. It was something else leaking, and it was on the plumbing, so we're good. I still have that flat tire. I've got, well, things that Laurel's going to be talking about inside. Other than that, the underneath is perfect. There's no weld failure or nothing. The jacks all work like they should. Yes, this was the best run that we've ever had, I think. It almost was perfect. So kudos, Grand Design. Let's go see what Laurel has for us.
I couldn't be happier. Honestly, I am so happy with this unit. It's pretty darn solid. Nothing major except the leaks I already told you about. They're gonna fix those. But other than that, the fridge, the stove, the microwave, the structure, the solid walls, nothing was flimsy. I'm telling you, nothing was flimsy. The floors are perfect. I just had a couple of little things. Oh, little things. Like, can you see this? This is so minor, right? But can you see these little stains? Okay, it's minor, but hey, our customer's getting this brand spanking new, and there's some stuff, I don't know what that is here, but I'm sure they'd like it washed off. Really minor. There was a little bit here. It's kind of sticky residue behind here. So when I'm telling you it's minor, today it's been a blast because it's not discouraging. And so I know you like to hear about the drama, but don't you like to know too that there are units that are almost ready for you, but still they're not ready for you. This customer comes to pick this up, they're still going to have to wait. They've got to figure out the leaks and the flat tire, so there's still things to have to deal with. And not too long ago, during lunch, I went in to use the restroom, wash my hands and get all cleaned up, and there's a couple in there, and the wife is mad. First of all, it's lunchtime. She's hungry, and she's got a big VIP tag hanging around her neck. She's mad. She's looking at her watch. She is mad with her husband. She looks at her watch again, and her hands are going, I don't know what they're saying. I can only imagine what they're saying. They're not happy. So we don't want that to be you. This is why you hire an inspector. So when you come to pick up your unit, you can come through and know that everything has been taken care of for you. So remember, and do never forget, it's not about the destination. It's all about the journey.